Hello guys, and welcome you once again to another exciting episode on Artist Cafe. You already know the name, King's Motion. Alright, so in today's episode I'm going to talk about how to start a YouTube channel and make money out of it, specifically for beginners. Alright, so before you start any YouTube channel, you have to make sure you have a Gmail account because Yahoo doesn't support the creation of YouTube channels. Alright, after creating your YouTube channel, you have to find a specific name for your niche. Yes, even before you think of creating a YouTube channel, you have to brainstorm on the kind of name or the type of name that you're going to use for your YouTube channel. Reasons being that the name of a channel tells specifically what the channel is all about. So if you should take Artist Cafe for example, we do more gigs relating to artists and social media vibes. You get the vibes? So make sure you choose right name for your YouTube channel. Now your YouTube has been created. What else? You have to make sure you brand it very well. Get a nice logo for your profile. And also with your about section, you have to make sure you do a nice write-ups. The write-up must really relate to what you do, right? The write-up must contain what you do, your Gmail account, your contact details, and all other necessary information needed for you to, brand your YouTube channel. Alright, after these things or after these steps, the next level is how can you create good content to bring more subscribers and viewers. This is one of the major problems most YouTubers and specifically the beginners are facing, right? To get subscribers and also viewers. This is how it goes. You have to be consistent if you really want to have enough subscribers and viewers. Post videos regularly. You can choose to schedule dates in posting your videos, right? It could be Mondays and Fridays, any day that you think will be suitable for you, depending on the area, the locality you find yourself. Because some localities, people are online during weekends, and in some cases, they are very online on weekdays. So know when to post your videos, right? Then the next section is you can get in touch with bloggers and website owners, okay, to get your videos uploaded on their platforms. In this case, when people visit their website, the probability of you getting subscribers and viewers from their end is very higher. I believe this makes sense. So please, if today is your first time coming, do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell notification so that you can catch up with my update. Alright, let's move on. So now your channel is been created. You've been posting consistently. You've given your videos to bloggers and all of that. One other thing which is a key factor or very necessary is to engage in promotions, right? You can be doing Google ads and all these things, right? And also, if you are out there, you can just get in touch with us because it's not all about running ads, but running targeted ads, and that's what we at King's Motion we do. So just take our numbers or our Gmails in the section below and make sure you get in touch with us. We will help you to gain subscribers in few days, gain enough views at a very cool price. Alright, now you have all these things done. The next thing is how to enter into what we call the YPP program, YouTube Partner Program. To enter into this, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Okay, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. When you talk about subscribers, they are the individuals who comes to your channel to subscribe, like the way I want you to subscribe now. You hit on that red subscribe button, right? When people click on that and you get 1,000 people, you've reached YouTube, threshold. Then the next level is what we call the watch hours or watch time. The watch time, those were, you know, when we are to calculate the total views you've had on your videos. If you have 2 videos, 5 videos, 10 videos, when we add all these views together, okay, then the total number that you have being converted into hours is what we refer to as watch hours. So let me cite this example. You have a video about 5 minutes long, okay, then you have 1,000 people to watch it. You see, this 1,000 people, some will be watching 5 minutes, the whole 5 minutes. Others will watch 3 minutes. Others too, they are going to watch 2 minutes. Others will even watch 30 seconds. You know, so when we are to add all these views together, right? These seconds, minutes, you know, if we are to add all of this together and convert into hours, that is what we refer to as watch hours. And YouTube expects you to get 4,000, which is not an easy journey. As a beginner, if you are not smart enough, it can take you more than 5 years. Yes, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. That's why you need to get in touch with Ken's Motion, and we will assist you to get your watch hours in few days. That's what we do. That's what we are capable of doing. Yeah, let's move on. So now, after reaching the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, what else? How are you going to make the money? Because we have people who reach this 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours and still they haven't, you know, gained monetization. Reasons being that most of them were not doing original content. They were just copying from channels. Others too were copying from, you know, any stuff that, you know, comes on social media. You get the vibe? Do not engage in that. It is advised. Because others may do it, but still they may get monetization, because you can't predict YouTube. So the best thing to do is to make sure you create your own content and abide by YouTube policies. Once you abide and rate this 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can now apply for monetization. Once monetization is approved, ads will start to display on your YouTube channel. You know, once monetization is approved, whenever your videos are being played, you see ads displaying. That means you are in the game. You are about to chop money, you know. But even in the chopping of money, there are a whole lot of queries that normally comes out. One may get 1,000 views and make about as little as 0.05 cents. Someone may get 1,000 views like myself and make about $5 up to $20. Yes, it is possible. It all depends on the content you create. I hope I'm making sense here. Yes, so if you are out there, like I said earlier on, make sure you do a lot of, you know, research about this YouTube game before you start as a beginner. And also, one advice I will give you, you know, just be yourself. Don't try to get all these expensive things before you start your YouTube videos. Whatever you have with your smartphone, you can just start with it. Just hit on it, and trust me, your way to money making will be very easy and easier, and it will be the easiest. You get a vibe? Alright, so guys, I believe this video really helped you. Yes, just drop your comment. If you have any question, just drop them down there, and I'll be doing similar videos which I think will surely help you to, you know, upgrade your game. And hey, we do upload videos and update you every week. New videos, fresh videos are dropping, so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell a friend to tell another friend that Artist Cafe is back again. So yo family, thanks for having you here, and may God bless you. We are in Corona season, and one advice I will give to you all, let's all abide to the protocols, right? Just mask up, wear your mask, you know, wash your hands regularly, and try to use sanitizers, okay? Use your sanitizer and stay safe. For me, for Ghana, for Africa, for the world, God bless you.